Okay, welcome to my channel, All Things Simple. And today we are discussing text to image on Capcut. It's a popular app, Capcut, for video editing. But on that editing app, on that editing platform for your videos, you can also create images from text, meaning you can just write out a description of something that you want in image form, in pictorial form, and the app will produce what you have described for you. It's a very interesting feature on CapCut. And one of the things that I must tell you is that it is free. You're not paying a kobo for it. In fact, when you go on the app, you see it written there boldly, free. And that's one of the things I love about CapCut. I mean, who doesn't like free things? So yeah, it is free. So without wasting your time, let me take you over to my app on my phone, CapCut. So this is CapCut. In case you've not seen it before, so when you are going to search for it on Google Play, that's how it looks, CapCut. Because they could be clones or what have you on Google Play that may want to imitate CapCut. But I've shown you how it looks now. So when you go on Google Play, that's how CapCut looks like. So you go there on Google Play, you download the app, and then continue using. You may want to create an account with them, but it's not really compulsory. Creating an account is not compulsory for you before you use CapCut in video editing. But when you want to, okay, let me open up the app. But when you want to use the feature of text to image, then the app will direct you to create an account with them. I don't think that's a difficult thing to do. So let me show you something here. This is where you go to. You see the text to image, and on it you can see free text to image. So that's where you go to. You click when you have downloaded the app and you have accessed it. It's now open. The home page is now open for you. You click on that text to image, which I am now clicking. Make sure that your data is on. Your data, because it uses data. It's not offline stuff. So I've already created an account. That's why it opened up for me like this. If you have not created an account, the first thing it will show to you is it will lead you to creating an account. If your phone's already you've already registered your email to your phone before now, it will prompt you to sign up using your email. When it does that to you, please sign up using your email. It's very simple. You don't need to be going through putting your names, date of birth and password. Just sign in using your email. When you sign in using your email, this is the page that will appear. Then you can go on to do whatever you want to do, whatever generation of image through text that you want to do. So whatever you are thinking at all in your mind that you want to create, you create it. But take note that there are some things that will be flagged. There are some words that are not acceptable on this platform. For example, I was trying to generate a picture, an image that will show me an accident scene with blood, with blood on the scene. But they said it is against their policy. And I'm sure the reason for that is the word blood. They don't accept that word blood. I'm sure also that the word sex will also be flagged off. In fact, let's try it. Let's try sex and see. So what you do is that you come over sorry, you come over to any of the pictures, any of the images you are seeing here, any of them at all that you are seeing here. Then you click on you click on modify. You see there, modify. Any of the image, all of them have that function, that item for you. So you could come there and click on modify. So let me, on this picture that's looking at us here with children playing football, European children playing football, I could click on this modify. Then it brings out the place where I can now edit the text that brought out or generated this image. You can now delete and say whatever and type in whatever thing you want to generate. So for example, I want to generate a sex scene. Let's see if their system will flag it off. A man and a woman having sex. Let's see if AY, whether AI does spoil. Let's see. You see that? It says the prompt may contain content that violates our community guidelines. Change it and try again. Give us feedback if you have questions. So it's obviously because of the word sex that they are flagging it off. So let's go again to modify. So let's say a man and a woman kissing. Let's see if they will bring up something for us here on this one. Oh, so kissing is much more tolerated, that one. Okay, so you see now. So this is an image that has been generated for us for a man and a woman kissing. They don't have a problem with kissing, but they have a problem with sex. Same thing that they did when I wrote in blood. They have a problem with blood, so they flag it off. So whichever kind of thing that you are thinking that is not explicit, that is not against their rules, their platform policies, please go ahead and do your modification. So let's continue with modification. Let's say an African man, because here it's European people, Oyibo, an African man and a woman kissing. Let's see what will happen. Oh, take note, when you are done typing, you now click on generate. That's under here. You see the generate there. Let me show you. Generate. See generate there. That's to generate. So you click on the generate, then it brings up it loads and then brings up the image for you. So see, these are African people, black people. So let's say Asian. Let's remove African, change it to Asian. Click on generate. So let's see what it will bring for us. It's loading now. It's loading. Okay. You see there? You see that? See that? Asian people. Right? So let me think of something else. A church. So let's say a building on fire with people running and screaming. Click on generate, of which I've already done. Okay, it's loading now. So let's see. Oh, you see that? So these are buildings on fire, and then there are people running and screaming on the scene. So whichever sorts that you have that you want to generate, that you want to make into an image, all you do is just click on the modify button and then type in whatever it is and then click on generate, and it loads and bring up the image for you. Next thing you do, if you like any of the image, you tap on them, you tap on it, and then you click on save. At the bottom here, look at the bottom, very bottom, you can see retouch, upscale, save, refine, whatever. All you need to do is click on save, and it will save the picture for you. So let me click on it, save. So you see image saved. So I go over to my file to locate the image. Go over to my file and see if the image is there. Yeah, so you see the image is here looking at us. So this is it. This is the image. All good. So if this is the one you like, because personally I don't think I like this one, because the people's face are not showing. I don't like this one. So depends on you when you, because you can actually review the pictures and see for yourself. So you see where I click now. These two little arrows. These two little arrows. These two little arrows. So you click on that one. It opens up the picture in a much wider frame for you, so that you can really see it for yourself first before you download. So I don't like this picture. Let's click on another one. All of them seems to be like that. People's faces are not appearing. Why? Okay, anyone you like and you can manage it, you go ahead and download it. I've already shown you how to save it to your phone. So thank you very much. With this, we have come to the end of this exposition.